After many years of cross stitching, it looks like I may be learning a new trick. I'm Michelle, this is my romantic tangle, and I am trying something new and shocked with how well it is working. If you know me, you will know that bobbinating floss is my default. If I am doing something I kitted up myself, I will wind the skeins onto bobbins, and that's what works for me. That's what makes me happy. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? The challenge is when you buy kits that are older and come with pre-cut lengths of floss that you have to sort on your own. I know people who bobbinate these. I can't wrap my head around how that would be a plan that would work for me. So my strategy for years has been to sort them into little snack-sized bags with labeled index cards. When it was time to start down memory lane, some little internal voice in my head said, you want a floss organizer for this. Now, I have done kits that came with floss organizers to use with your tangle of floss once you get it sorted, and I've never liked them. I've used them in a pinch on projects that only had a few colors when I didn't want to drag out the Ziploc bags and index cards, but I've never been happy with it. Despite all of that, I had a hunch that it was what I wanted to do for this project. And I dragged my feet for a little while because I didn't know where the hole punch was. I know I don't have a big hole punch. And I knew I could cut holes with scissors, but that seemed hard. And then I went to Hobby Lobby, and they have these Artiste floss organizers. They were like 3 for $1.49 or something ridiculously affordable. And I brought them home. And I sorted my floss, and I put it on the floss organizer, and I can't believe it, but I am loving this. And I think that what happened is I have been stitching so many dimensions kits that I've got used to using floss organizers, and I've seen people talking about thread drops and how they are able to get single strands off without unfastening and refastening the entire thing. And I have learned a new trick, and I am loving it. I don't think that these are ever going to be my first go-to because I don't pre-cut floss. If I'm working from DMC skeins, I will cut the length of thread to the size of stitching I need to fill. So I don't see myself pre-cutting 18-inch lengths or whatever lengths you cut. But I do have a lot of kits with those annoying bundles of unsorted floss, and I think I'm going to go back and buy some more of these. I do know that when I looked on the website to jar my memory of how much they cost, the ones they have now look different. So when I get a chance, I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby and check them out. If I don't like them, I'm going to get some heavy cardboard and maybe invest in a larger hole punch. For a stitcher as set in my ways as I am, it surprised me that, first of all, that I made this jump at all, and second of all, that I am stitching this way so happily. What do? Do you Ziploc bags, bobbins, DIY floss organizers? If you've got a better way to do it than I am, I'd love to hear about it.